a lot of money invested in this. So, as you can see, it is hot in my shop. It is climbing near 100 degrees and it's about 1 o'clock. So, it's going to get hotter. So we're going to install an air conditioner. This is the frame to keep the shop cool. It goes right there. We're going to have to cut a hole, lay it out, cut the hole, and build a little frame for it out of 2x4s and put it in. So that's what we're going to do. So we had a little problem other than I'm sweating profusely. When we laid it out, as you can see, there's a little brace right there already. So I just moved it down. So I'll put that screws in there to hold that up. And then I just moved the air conditioner slot down. So next step is to cut this out and cut that out. Oops, sorry. And cut that out. But we have to frame up the sides and the inside of this. So, just like I'm gonna need to go get some wood and frame that up. Fun. Quick little side note, if you need hole saw, go get this kind. Not a sponsor, but man, this is the easiest hole saw ever. You just pull the bottom, screw it apart, and then you push this button and the drill bit comes out. Ridiculously easy. See? And it's got a whole kit. It was like $100 at Home Depot. Also not a sponsor, but send me free stuff. There you go. So if you take your time, it actually works. Take a bunch of measurements. I'm gonna put a framing around it so it looks pretty, but the outside came out pretty good too. The top and the bottom I wasn't super worried about because I'm gonna put a board under there and on the top. The sides is what I was really trying to keep fairly tight. And again, I'm gonna frame out all around it. Man, that thing came out pretty good. Now I just gotta screw it in and drop the AC in. Sweet. how you put it in the air conditioner. Make sure you measure twice. Measure the third time after you measure those twice. Use your levels, and then measure one more time. And your gaps will look pretty good. I'm gonna frame this out, and it'll be done. Nice and cool shop. So, if you like this, you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and the ring button, and the like button, and just hit all the buttons. I don't know what they do, but supposedly they help me out. See you later.